Hi guys, and welcome to the Kim Wright YouTube channel. Now it's that time of the month again when I get to show you what cool stuff I've received as a Harry Potter fan through Geek Gear. Now I do have one small announcement. I don't know if I'm going to be able to continue both Geek Gears. I might have to quit the special editions. The reason is money-wise. As a lot of you know, I've recently changed my job. And money has been quite tight recently. As a result, I may have to change my job. Not change my job, I've already done that. I may have to cancel one of the subscriptions. I like doing the Doll's House, so I don't want to quit that. And compared to the Doll's House, the special edition is actually more expensive. Plus, I'm running out of space for the cups as well. I haven't made an official decision yet, so that decision will be made at some point next month, depending on money. I hope everything's going to be okay. But for now, let's have a look-see what's in this baby. Now, the first thing I'm going to mention, they've actually taped it up, which is amazing. I wonder if they've had too many people complain that this has been opened. So, as always, we start... I've just seen something that's really cool. Oh, I've just seen something that's really cool. This is amazing. Not the t-shirt. Although the t-shirt I might wear before going into work. This, kind of like a Death Eater, really. Except the wand is quite wooden. This is definitely, I wouldn't say gravestone. Maybe the final resting place of a wizard. But this is amazing. I love it. I love the fact that the leaves are in blue, including the wand. That is awesome. And also how highlighted the actual skull is. Even if I go out of light and then into light, you can still see the skull. Oh, that's amazing. It looks a little too big for me. Definitely a medium. But that is awesome. Definitely going to wear this at some point tomorrow. I've got too many t-shirts as it is. But we'll have a look. See what we got. Now this is what made me gasp. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can... It's a bit squished. But I think this is a bowtruckle. How cool is this? And it's knitted as well. Was this actually made by someone? It wouldn't surprise me. I have seen on TikTok a person has actually made some bowtruckles. Not like this. But this is... Wow. I think this is knitted. Oh, that is awesome. That is amazing. That is wonderful. I love that. I'm definitely having this in my collection. But that is amazing. How cool is that? It's definitely a bowtruckle. Now, this is probably a highlight to the fact that the new film has come out, which makes sense because the film came out in April. And then we have a bowtruckle, which is one of the main characters in the film. But this is awesome. It's just a pity that his ears are so floppy. I might be able to straighten one of the ears a little bit. But that is awesome. I love it. I love his little smile as well. It's like it's kind of goofy, isn't it? But that is cool. I love the little tendons as well. Oh, that is awesome. I love it. I think that is so cool. So I wonder if the theme is Fantastic Beasts or is it the Death Eaters? Because we seem to have two of each. Guess we'll find out with this one. They can't see you, hon. Hey, bowtruckle. Okay, I'm getting in. This is very well wrapped. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. I think... What is this? It looks like a church's fort. Is this the I think this might be the Goblet of Fire. That, or it's some weird church fort. I think this is meant to be the Goblet of Fire. But that is awesome. Look how detailed that is. It's got a little back on it as well. And it's hollow. I'm almost tempted to see if this is an egg cup. Put an egg in here. But I think this might be a little bit too flimsy. But check out the flooring as well. On the paving stones. Marked as little paving stones. Now that is cool. Should I give it to Bo Truckle? Here you go, Bo Truckle. What do you think? Now we have related to plants again. So maybe it's plant related. This is Powering Plants. And on the other side it's got the Weeping Willow with the Ford Angelus that Ron Weasley's dad possessed. And on the other side we have, whose name I'm completely forgotten. It's the little weed. Mandrake. This is a mandrake. And that looks pretty cool. Oh, I'm loving this. I think this is so cool. I'll give that to Bo Truckle as well. There you go. There you go, mate. Now again, we don't appear to have an information leaflet. So I'm going to have to look up exactly what this is. My money's on this being the Goblet of Fire. But with everything being plant-based, I'm now not sure. Could be a water fountain in the Harry Potter franchise. Ah, I know what the theme is. It's herbology. We have a little poster all about herbology. We've got herbology greenhouse, which Harry Potter studies in Chamber of Secrets, because it becomes very crucial. But this is awesome. I think that is cool. I love it. It's a little mandrake weed starting off, because that's the first thing that they learn. This is amazing. Oh, I love it. I'm going to give that to... There you go, Bo Truckle. And then finally, we have the wand. Is it going to be a herbology wand? Oh, wow. Well, this is very unusual. This looks like something you'd expect the head of the Ministry of Magic to wear, because it's quite authoritative. Got a little bishop on the top, which is awesome. And it's very long and black, which kind of reminds me of authority. I think they would hold it like that to make their importance real known. But this is cool. I love it. Excuse that burp. This is amazing. Oh, I love it. I think this is so cool. Here you go, Bo Truckle. What do you think? Right. But this is truly awesome. This is amazing. I think this wand is great. So what's my favourite? Got to be the bow truckle, because I think that is so clever. I think the bow truckle has got to be the cleverest thing that I've seen. That is cool. I love it. Next to that is the forts, which I still got to find out what it is. It might be... Oh, hold on. No, it's not. I know where that's from. I think.
Looks like a wall buttress.
It's not. I think it's the sink in Chamber of Secrets. Trying to eye the one that has a snake on it. But I think this is... Is it broken? No, I don't think so. I think this is either the Chamber of the Secrets sink or it's...
It could be, 'cause that's the one from Willow.
Yeah.
The car from things from two, the Chamber of Secrets.
Yeah. So I think Chamber of Secrets is the thing. Apart from the bow truckle, which I think is Fantastic Beast related. But that is cool. I love it. I've got to find a safe place to put all this stuff. And so from Bow Truckle, should be on my shoulder, from Bow Truckle and myself, have a wonderful time. I'll see you at the special edition, which should come later on next week. But stay safe, stay well, keep the magic in your fingertips. I'm going to go find a nice new home for Bow Truckle and the others. And I'll catch you guys a little later. See you guys!